take it over. One city at a time.
What's up, YouTube? So we back with another one. Okay, so before we even get into the guns, I'm gonna tell you the first thing you have to do before even buying a gun is to check the CFMs on your air compressor. So this is mine. So this one puts out 6.6 at 40 psi. So that's the first thing you got to do before even looking at guns. A lot of times people want to buy whatever gun is hot, like everybody's running out to buy the Black Widow or whatever's out, and your compressor may not be able to keep up with the demands of that gun. So as you see, I'm using this small compressor because I'm getting ready to paint this whole car with that compressor, and I had to find guns that have a low, that require a low CFM. And these are the two that I selected. Now, I haven't used either one. So let's start with this one. This one is the Eastwood Concours 2 gun. See, it's brand new. I actually had the Eastwood Concours, the original Concours gun, and I painted the purple Jeep with it. I'll leave the video at the end so you guys can see how it turned out. But I did paint the purple Jeep with the original Eastwood Concours gun, and it came out good. I had no real complaints with it. I used a 30-gallon compressor, and I was able to paint a full Jeep Cherokee, door jambs and all, with that gun. But that gun has now been discontinued. So when I knew I had to do a small compressor paint job again, I went looking for it. They didn't have it, so they had this. This is the Concours 2. There's also a Concours Pro. The Concours 2 uses less CFM than the Concours Pro. This one, if I'm not mistaken, I think requires 5 CFM. So here's the instructions. Should be in somewhere. This one should, well, this one comes with a 1.7. Here's the cap for it, 1.7 needle cap, and it comes with a 1.3. The 1.3 is what's in it. This is actually a beautiful gun. Kind of nice that is. It's a really nice, beautiful gun. That blue looks like that Champion blue that, you know, that Grant 7 has. Shameless plug. That Champion blue candy, that's what this kind of looks like. But it looks good. It's a nice heavy gun, nice feel to it. So anyway, this gun puts out, I'm surprised they didn't put it in here anywhere. Oh, here it is. It puts out 5 to 9 CFM at 30 psi. So I'm well within specs for using this gun. It puts out about 9 probably with the 1.7, which I'm not going to use. I'm going to use just the 1.3. And the second option that I bought is this one, a Husky set. Now, this particular set, I actually started off painting with Husky, probably like a few of you guys. Got that first Husky set, and I painted a 15-passenger van with this Husky gun, not with this one, but with a Husky gun and a 30-gallon air compressor. But it was not one of my shining moments, but it was all right. It was decent. It was the first time I did a whole vehicle. That particular Husky set was back when everybody was doing the $50 paint jobs. When I first got on YouTube, that was the thing to do, $50 paint jobs with the Rust-Oleum. So I didn't do the roll-on. I did it with my Husky. Now this one, you know, it's many years later. This one, hold on. See what we got, YouTube. Everybody got these nice little fancy cases, you see? Whoops, wrong side. Woo! Alright, so this comes with a cleaning kit, comes with the connectors, comes with some tape. This one you actually get 2 guns. Now the thing about it is, these 2 guns are cheaper than this one gun. But it's the way the game goes sometimes. So they give you one HVLP gun and one conventional gun. This is the HVLP gun. It's not as heavy as that one, but it still is. It does feel good. It's still a decent feel to it. It does come with the 2 cups. It does come. Now this one, let's see what the instructions say. I believe when I looked these guns up, they were supposed to put out about 4 CFM. So that's the reason why I bought it. Because, let me see if it says anything. But it's supposed to put out, from what I saw online. Y'all want to hear me read the Spanish one? No, I don't want to over-impress y'all this time. I don't want to over-impress you. But, that's it. I mean, I haven't sprayed either one of these guns, so I can't really tell you yet. But what I am going to do, is put a little thinner through them. And we're going to shoot the wall and see what the fan patterns are like. And see if they're any good. I was just trying to see if I could find the CFM for you guys. Yeah, here it is right there. See? 4 CFM. It has a 1.4 tip, and this one is a 1.3 that I'm going to use. So we're going to see. All right, YouTube. So this one, I don't know which one I'm going to honestly like better, but the objective when I bought them was this gun would be used for base, that gun would be used for clear. That's what, and then this gun, the conventional one, was going to be my backup primer gun when Old Faithful, the Purple Harbor Freight primer gun, finally gives out. That was going to be my backup primer gun. So all right, YouTube, what we're going to do, I'm going to put a cup on it, and we're going to run some thinner through it, and I'm going to shoot the wall so we can see what the fan is like. Because I like a nice wide fan myself. I don't know about you guys, but I like a wide fan. All right, YouTube, but they both come with a little tool. Let's see what this is. Tool, cleaning kit, fitting. I mean, they're both pretty nice sets, actually. Guess can't really go wrong either one. We just got to see how they perform. Now, I will leave the link in the comment section below for both of these. If there's either one of them that you like and want to get one for yourself, I'll leave the link below so you can get one. But that's it. So they come with regulators. I'm just going to throw my old regulator on so that way I can just take them. I'm going to just put a little bit of thinner in them and adjust the fan and see what we got. All right, YouTube, give me a minute to set it up. All right. All right, YouTube, so I got the Husky HVLP loaded up. I got the PSI set to 30. I want to compare the fan between the Husky and the Eastwood. So right now I got it dialed all the way down, and we're going to see the smallest fan, and then we're going to open it up and see the widest and compare the two. All right, here we go. Not bad. Not too bad. Now let's open it up. I never shoot like that anyway, but I guess if I need to. But hold on, YouTube. We're gonna open this up. All right, this is all the way open. Ready? It's not bad. There it is right there. Can you guys see it? It's not bad. It's not bad. That's a nice fan, YouTube. It's a little wider than I would need it, so I take it in some, but that's a nice fan, YouTube. All right, so let's load up the Eastwood and see how that one looks in comparison. All right, YouTube, I got the Eastwood now. By the way, I'm shooting both guns at 30 PSI. To get a feel for it. So Let's get ready to try this one. And we're going to see. So I'm going to dial it back. We're going to bring it in. And we're going to shoot it. Alright, it's closed in. The fan is closed in. We're going to see now. And here we go. This is the smallest setting. That was it. It's not bad, actually. If you guys could take a look. And now we're going to open this up. And now we're going to the widest setting. Oh, the Husky has a wider fan. But this is all the way open. That's the fan all the way open. Yeah, that's it. It's still a nice fan. This is actually more about the size that I use. So that's a nice setting. But the Husky does have a wider fan. So I don't know, YouTube. I'm going to say this. I don't know which one I'm going to use for what for this car. So what I'm thinking about doing, because the true test whenever you want to try your gun is to see how it lays down clear. So what I might do is when I do the door jambs, because after this video is going to be the primer. See, I'm already still doing body work. But after this video is going to be the primer. And then I think what's going to happen is after I do the primer, I think I'm going to do the door jambs. So I think I'm going to shoot one side of the car paint and clear with the Husky, and the other side paint and clear with the Eastwood. And then whichever one gives me a nicer finish, that's the one I'm going to do the whole car with. All right, so you guys stay tuned for that one. But I will say, first impressions, they both are nice guns. Like I said, the Husky, you get 2 guns cheaper than the Eastwood by itself, but we're going to see how they perform with the clear coat and take it from there. All right, guys? So I'll catch you on the next video.